that this technology does exist and that it would be used in the areas where voters are likely to lean towards Trump. They would simulate a fake alien invasion. The President of the United States, President Obama, would be able to, quote, call a halt to the invasion, save the day, and then hand over the torch to Clinton, providing the basic continuity of state. So, it's a lot to take in. It's very frightening if legitimate. And, I mean, at this point, we don't know whether it's real or not. We know that Anonymous has, very much like WikiLeaks, hacked into and released legitimate files in the past. They do have a track record of releasing legitimate documents that they have found that have been covered up. And so, you really have to use our common sense. And, I mean, when you have a document like this, you really can't say whether it's real or not until you get some more information to corroborate it. We already do have some information that would seem to corroborate the possibility of state hologram alien invasion. You know, many of you guys have talked about this in the comment section, and many of you believe that a lot of the UFO sightings that we publish on this channel are in fact not real, but are holograms. There is something known as Project Bluebeam, which specifically relates to the using of holograms to create these fake images, whether it's the second coming of Christ or an alien invasion. The allegations of Project Bluebeam were first presented in 1994 by a Canadian journalist by the name of Serge Manasse, who actually even talked about it when he published a book entitled Project Bluebeam. Now, what many people don't know is that Mr. Manasse, as well as another unnamed journalist, both died of heart attacks in 1996, with many believing that they were assassinated. And that furthermore, there were reports of the Canadian government having kidnapped Manasse's daughter in an effort to dissuade him from investigating Project Bluebeam further. We've had various researchers and government witnesses talk about the use of these holograms as a way to prevent elections or initiate martial law, take over the world, take over the country. And at this point, I mean, you know, you can check out the document for yourself. If real, it's very scary. Some have said that the document is just too crazy to be believed. But I ask you, is the craziness of an allegation reason enough to be used as evidence that is untrue? So I will leave it up to you guys. Download the document for yourself and let me know what you guys think. Now, while we're on the subject, we did a video the other day about the recently leaked WikiLeaks Podesta emails, where some of these emails addressed to Mr. Podesta, who is the chairman of Hillary Clinton's presidential campaign, were talking about the validity of the alien phenomenon, how it is a real thing. Many of these emails came from Edwin Mitchell, who was an Apollo astronaut and the sixth man to walk on the moon. Well, we have another email that we will also link